Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In today's video, I'll be showing all of the cards I made using Spellbinders 2023 Crafty Advent Calendar. This is the second year that Spellbinders has offered a Crafty Advent Calendar, and both of them have been so much fun. Lots of die sets, embossing folders, stencils, stamps, and some sequins. This year, I did a video for every single day. So I have 24 days of videos in December. All of them are process videos. And I'll tell you now, this was a ton of work. I also have coordinating blog posts, so you can always head over to my blog for close-ups of the cards, look at the sketches I'm using, along with the products. Here's a look at all 24 cards in order, starting from December 1st all the way through to December 24th. As I continued to open more and more windows throughout the month, I did reuse some of those items. So you can see the hello die I used multiple times, the turtle, the flowers. When I started my cards, my goal was to use the same paper pad for all of the cards. I almost did that. One card features a different pattern paper, and I think 3, maybe 4 cards I didn't use any pattern paper at all. All of the embossing folders and dies I use for my cards are by Spellbinders. If you're wondering, after all of these cards, how much of the paper pad do I have left? So I thought I would show you. The pattern paper is Doodlebug Designs Hello Again collection. It's a bright and cheerful collection, perfect for cards year-round. So I thought it was a good choice to use with the Advent items. I still have quite a few paper scraps, probably could get at least 3 or 4 more cards from them. I also have 4 full sheets of paper. 2 of them are the mini tags. But I think overall I did a pretty good job at tackling this paper pad. Now hopefully at this point you've already opened up all of your Advent calendar. I laid out all of the items on my desk so you can see everything that's included. Lots and lots of die sets, 2 embossing folders, 2 stencil sets, 3 stamp sets, and 3 packages of sequins. And none of the items are holiday or Christmas themed, so you can use them throughout the year. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas.